Hello girls and guys, in this video we are going to in this video on the next video probably I may split this video into two video. uh, we are going to make this graph with interactive plot like hover tools like this bar is negative bar and there are totally 30 negative views, and this bar is positive bar and there are 40 positive reviews, and with the legends and labels. Okay, I will split this video into two parts so that we have not seen about this vertical bar and these labels, so we can see that in one video, and in the next video we will see how to add this uh, hover tool effect to all of our plots, not only this part. We have built like a circle part, line part, so that we can see in the next video. So if you have not subscribed my channel, go and subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Okay. Okay guys, let's move into the video. Okay, let me import things from okay.io. Import. What to import? We need to import output notebook. Okay, I forgot. And we need to show from bokeh dot plotting import. What to import? Figure. So yeah, figure. Now let us call that output file function. Okay, now let's have our figure be equal to figure of plot height equal to 600. Come on. Plot width equal to 700. So let's start with our v bar. So v bar takes a bunch of arguments like total count and how many vertical bar we need, like that. So yeah, our v bar takes few arguments like what type of categories we need to plot, and what are the top values of those categories, and whether we need a different color or same color, whether we are adding a label or not, like that. So that, yeah, let us see. uh, let me take some datas. So x equal to here, vertical bar needs some text data and uh, numerical data. So let us take from our example like positive and negative. Okay, this is our x, and our top means those values like 60 positive comments and 30 negative comments. Okay, but understand one thing, we have seen about the column data sets when I think in video 2 or video 3 we have seen column data sets for importing data from pandas. We don't need that, but we if we want to use some simple way, we can use it like columnar data set to access these things. So import column data sets. Okay, let source. So our column data set source, and we are going to add dict of data equal to x, top equal to, and top. So I need color, I need different color. So color equal to green and red. Okay, so green and red. So our color equal to color. Okay, then any other thing we need to add, like no, everything is ready. So I think we need to change data here. We need to change this categories. Okay, now our categories is our x. Okay, now our vertical bar. So our data equal to, sorry, our data is our top, so our top equal to our top, so our categories is our categories. Okay, now we need color, so color equal to color, and our source coming from this source. So let me copy that and paste it. So these are want to be in quotations, so that these are the columns from the source here, so that only we are taking that column and data source. Okay, let me show. I think this will show some error, really missing x and width. Okay, now our x is, I think, this one, and our width want to be 10. Okay, size to 0.4. No, this one is not coming. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, our color and our label. Is there anything we need to change? Yeah, we are using vertical bar, so we need our x range to those x. Yeah, here's the simple problem. Okay, our x range we need to be in x. So now it came. Okay, now this was too irritating. Let me change the alpha equal to 0.4. This will be good. Okay, yeah, I will keep it as 0.6, and let me zoom out. Yeah, this one is looking good. Okay. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, now the graph is plotted, so we need to add our legend. So what about our legend? So let us add legend equal to positive and negative. So, and we need to include those things on our source column and data source. So legend equal to legend. So here our legend equal to legend. So there's some problem. String spec convenes list value must have length 1. Okay. Yeah. So here we need to put our legend equal to legend. Okay, so now let us input. So here comes our positive and negative. Yeah, so we have plotted our vertical bar, and we have seen how to plot a vertical bar in this video. And the next video we are going to see those hover effect on this video, and we already seen how to customize these things, and how to add title, and how to add x label and y label, and we have seen how to plot a vertical bar, and how to display the labels. Okay, and our legends On the next video we are going to see how to hover effect, like if we take this to this one and it will show us what type of bar is and how many number of review is this. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Do subscribe and watch the next video to understand how to create these things. Okay, bye bye.